random sounds around you. It doesn't matter if you're using your phone or even a microphone, random sounds around you. It doesn't matter if you're using your phone or even a microphone. Hey everyone, have you ever recorded a video or audio and then realized there's this annoying background noise like the fan buzzing, kids shouting, or just random sounds around you? It doesn't matter if you're using your phone or even a microphone, background noise can totally ruin the quality of your video. And let's be honest, if the audio isn't clear, most viewers won't even stick around. They'll just leave. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove background noise completely using just your Android phone. It's super easy, and by the end of this tutorial, your audio will sound clean and professional. Just make sure you watch till the very end, because if you skip any step, it might not work properly. So let's jump right in. Download the app. First, go to the Play Store or App Store and download an app called Lexus Audio Editor. Once you install and open it, you'll see a simple interface. If your file is already audio, just import it directly. But if it's a video, you'll first need to convert it into audio. Don't worry, I'll show you how in just a moment. Now, whatever settings I apply in this tutorial, make sure you follow them exactly the same way. After applying all the settings, save your audio, and boom, you'll instantly notice that the background noise is gone. Your audio will sound much cleaner. Now, if you have video file, then convert video to audio if needed. If you're working with a video file, here's what you need to do. Download any MP4 to MP3 converter app from the Play Store or App Store. Convert your video into an audio file. Now, open any editing app, import both your original video and the noise-free audio from Lexus Audio Editor. Sync the audio with the video, and that's it. Your video will now be completely free of background noise. And there you go, super easy, right? Now you don't have to worry about fan noise, kids shouting, or any distractions messing up your videos. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you face any issues. I'll do my best to help you out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.